No, like all the camera is rolling right now, so we can just. What happened?
What am I missing?
Okay, hello everyone. Today we're doing a reaction video to this movie, Hidden Figures. All right, everyone's hyped, so let's get into it.
The exception. Your supervisor.
Bro,
is
it's
Mr.
Mary
Al
Jane,
Harrison.
bro, from Spider-Man.
Wait! Who are you?
You know who I am.
I do.
It's me, Mario!
We're gonna come up with a solve, right?
Yes, sir. We're working on it.
Ruth, what's the status on that computer?
She's right behind you, Mr. Harrison.
Bro, so like back then, right? What do you think how NASA defined like computers before the beginning of the IBM machine? What do you guys think?
It's just like Karen over, like she's literally just a mathematician, like a mathematics, like not guy, girl or guy. They just do all the math for you.
There isn't much technology then, so they use humans to calculate those rockets landing, space coordinates, and how high is it.
Yeah, it is crazy how much they can do with just mathematics at this point. It's all math. It's crazy, right?
Wow, that's amazing. So based on how the movie portrayed the technicians and mathematicians, who had the advantage in correctly the programming the IBM machine, and what gave them the advantage?
I think basically mathematicians versus technicians. Mathematicians are more systematic and they're more software based, so they know all this, especially when she went to learn Fortran, and it was so easy for her to fix the machine compared to the technicians that couldn't get it to work.
In the wrong spot.
Much like how we code it today, it's literally for them. It's just writing on a paper, doing math equations. So as she's learning Fortran, he probably thought it was like similar. So that gave her a bit of an edge over the technicians.
And for me, I think that mathematics is really important roles in this one, because she just the one that went in and fake it just the easy way, you know that. And that two guy is Stan, and he still figure it, and this is how she figure it out, because as you said, he learned about 14, right? Yeah, and this is the NASA get the advantage from her and from mathematician. Yeah, you got more?
I remember a scene that a technician cannot solve the IBM machine problem.
Well, this
so
is a very
she
delicate
snuck
piece of
in and do the equation and then fix the IBM
Phil?
machine. That's the
We've got
thing.
numbers.
About this argument as basically technicians as hardware, they specialize in hardware, and the mathematicians would specialize in the software side. So we basically need both sides to get computing to work.
Is that correct?
Bro, that's crazy. She just did that, bro.
It really shows like how significant the mathematics is role to like computing and discovery, right?
Yeah.
You know, without math, we cannot solve any physical problem to solvable equation, like in this scene, right?
They did when they didn't that Catherine didn't appear. How does NASA win?
So when I watched this scene, I had some question on it. Based on what you understand from the movie, how significant in mathematics development or modern technology of today? For me, it's like when I watch this reaction, like the mathematics is developed in modern technology, because you can really think of new technologies, what it has. For example, like ChatGPT creating an AI for us to ask questions of our problem, and some startup ideas like everyday use, like all is like about maths, like also
like in the cyber security field, you know, math is very essential for encryption data, to make it the text that we cannot read, the hacker cannot read. So we definitely need math to like a key to open the door.
I think mathematics is pretty important today, especially in AI and machine learning. I've heard they use derivatives for those kind of fields, and we obviously see now in modern time that mathematics is pretty much runs the computing world now.
Nowadays, so as we are nowadays, we are studying what computer science, right? So why do we need to enroll a bachelor one? So our plan, not our plan, but the school plan, right? Yeah, they want to us to study about what machine learning. So machine learning is one of the required a good mathematics. The good one to learn machine learning. So just like he said, AI is one of the machine learning that software engineering they create, and nowadays it's really popular. And about 2 days ago, have you all of you heard that another AI is came out?
Right.
DeepSeek.
Is that DeepSeek stuff, right?
Yeah,
AI replacing AI, bro.
Yeah.
That like begs this other question, right? That do you think the technology now, especially when there's AI now that they could basically do everything, do you think they would replace us in the future? What do you guys think?
Yeah, I think of AI is like a tool to help us to achieve more things that we cannot think of. Like it still make a mistake, but at the end of the day, it needs some input, and we need to clarify it.
With how fast like and efficient AI is, it could and will replace some of us. But that's what like this course or what this university is all about. Like it's teaching us not just about like programming and stuff. Like it's teaching us how to adapt. As always, like we see so many courses here, and then we have to adapt to every single one of them. So as AI will take over, we just have to adapt, and someone still has to make the AI in the first place.
And as we can see in this clip here,
Let's get the girl to check the numbers.
We see that even after they have the use of the IBM machine and all those calculations that it could do, when it ran into an error, they called her back, which is crazy, right? So at the end of the day, we're the ones programming the machines, right? Yeah. They can't beat the human brain.
When the IBM machine error, they called her. So the only question that popped out in my head, I just like want to ask that, what if she didn't there? She didn't there. Was that astronaut going to die?
I guess we'll never know.
Guess we'll never know.
Beautiful morning.
Paul, am I right?
It appears so.
Now seems like this machine's flying me.
We're on the same page, John. Our guys are on it.
Let's get the girl to check the numbers.
What happened? Bro, I worked 2 days for this one.
I know what I'm missing. See all this stuff? Namespace, man. Doing namespace because we're missing namespace. And then get the STD, put STD, and then C out. But by this thing right here, we just missing assembly column on